welcome to a new vlog. Today I'm on the island of Bohol, still here in the Philippines obviously, and I'm staying at a place called Bohol Cocoa Farm. It's a really nice hostel and I rented a motorbike, as you can see, and today I'm gonna go out by myself and explore this island. There's a few attractions that I'm interested in, so I'm gonna bring you with me. You ready? Let's go! So I was looking for a place called a man-made forest, or at least that's what it was listed on the tour. I chose not to go on the organized tour today where you just pay and go in a van and they bring you to all these places. Instead, I figured I'd just rent a motorbike and go to some of those places myself. And one of the places listed on that list was called Man-Made Forest, and I looked on the map and it was supposed to be around here somewhere, but I don't see a man-made forest anywhere, so I think we're gonna skip that one. But one of the most popular attractions on this island is known as Chocolate Hills. So we're gonna go there. I'll show you that. I think it's about an hour drive away from here, so I'll see you there. So we're not quite at the Chocolate Hills yet, but just want to show you what I'm driving through. So been driving through a lot of towns and villages with a bunch of stores and buildings and homes like this, but every once in a while we come across a place that looks like this with a big open view of the sea and a beautiful river. Hold on, check this out. Whoa! Alright, we're about halfway to the Chocolate Hills. I'll see you there. Swipe. Hey guys, check it out. This is the man-made forest. I just saw a sign back there that says a man-made forest, and on my map it said it was way back where I was about an hour ago, but apparently this is it. Now let's take a little drive through it, shall we?
So much division, my vision is faded. We all from the same tree, but you leaves degraded. Judging the different branches of music that elevated. Just cause it's further from the roots don't mean that you should hate it. Cause there's a time and place for everything that's been created. Damn.
Alright, that was a cool forest. Do you hear that noise? It sounds like a bunch of bugs like zipping. Anyway, I'll see you at Chocolate Hills. Alright, made it to the Chocolate Hills. Well, first I gotta climb up here. And I know I started the day wearing a helmet, but you know your boy's got his adventure hat with him. Alright, let's climb these stairs, get to the top, and check out this view. Oh, this view is breathtaking. And so the stairs kind of ran up here because I was excited. Whew, let me catch my breath. Check out this view. Whew, this view is incredible, but you guys know this isn't good enough. It's time to get higher. You guys ready to fly? Let's do it. Nice up here. Not much of Chocolate Hills actually, more like Minty Hills. Hi. I guess usually the hills are rather brown, but I guess they're flourishing right now, so they're growing grass, so they're rather green, but still nice. Now I think I'm gonna head back to my bike, ride a little bit longer, get some food. I'm pretty hungry, get some lunch, and there's a really exciting thing, well, exciting for me. There's a big swing called the Plunge that I've heard about. I saw videos. I want to go check that out. So let's go there. Taking a quick pit stop at this public market. See if I can find some food. Let's go explore. Got a bunch of shoes. I'm not really hungry for shoes though. Got a bunch of things that I don't need. Here's the veggie part of the market. But I don't want the raw goods. I want the cooked goods. Hello. Is there anywhere I can find food to eat that is already cooked? That way. Thank you. What?
Selfie.
Selfie. You want a selfie? Hi. She wants to take a selfie. What's your name?
Arlene.
Eileen? Nice to meet you.
Oh, yeah, nice to meet you.
So Eileen, that nice lovely lady I just met, pointed me this, oh, here we go, food right here. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
I'm hungry. What do you recommend?
This is beef.
Beef? How about chicken? Any chicken?
We have a chicken.
Chicken adobo?
Yes.
Yes. And
One of this.
yeah, one of that. And vegetables?
Yes, we have. Ano kung gusto ka manok? We have this one, mixed vegetables. We have
That looks good.
yes.
Yeah.
One of that.
One of that, please. And some rice? Thank you. All right, found some delicious food. Got some chicken adobo, some vegetables, and some rice. Let's enjoy. So I just finished eating lunch, and these nice gentlemen invited me for a little sip of rum. Can't say no to rum. Cheers. All of it down. Oh, okay, all of it, okay. Woo! Salamat. Bye. More excitement. Yay, bye. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, maybe. Woo, there's a little singing going on here. What's this? Woohoo! Karaoke. Hello. Oh, I can't say no to karaoke. So let all behind. I wander Well, Carmen Public Market goes down as my favorite market in history so far. This has been an awesome place, very nice people. Now, back to the bike, and cool. I left my cell phone in the cup holder on accident, and it's still here. Very awesome. All right, now back on the road, more exploring. I'll see you somewhere else. So I think I took a wrong turn, and I'm currently off the main road on this bumpy side road, just dirt and rocks, lots of rocks. So I think this road actually leads all the way to my next destination, but it's very bumpy and I'm almost out of gas. So I'm gonna go back to the highway and take the longer way around, which will be a little bit more smoother. And this road is 13 miles that way. I'm not gonna take this bumpy road for 13 miles. So let's turn around, go back to the main road, get some gas, and fuel up. Well, maybe going down that bumpy road wasn't such a good idea because I have a flat tire. That is flat like my bum after sitting down on this seat all day. And I'm, I don't know where I am. So hopefully there's a tire repair shop close to here because it's not really good to be riding on that thing. Well, these nice people saw me struggling on the side of the road, pulled over and offered to help. They have a little air pump and they're trying to pump the tire up. Very nice. Thank you. And that's what did it right there. A little piece of glass went right in the tire. So I made it to mechanic, but mechanic's not here. And that nice family actually just stopped, talked to them, translated for me, and they said there's another mechanic about another half kilometer up the road. So I'm just gonna walk my bike up there. That family is being so helpful. They said they're gonna go up there and check and see if they're there. So Filipino hospitality, thank you so much.
May shadow go to Sagbayan. Come back here.
Yeah. Okay. Not too sure exactly what's going on.
Yeah.
This guy's obviously been drinking a lot of rum today.
You need to go to the proper town proper.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's not good here. Okay, how far is that? 5K?
5 kilometers. 5 kilometer.
All right. They have nothing here.
No mechanic.
No mechanic. All right. I'll take this thing 5K. I'll just go slow. No mechanic here apparently, so gotta go into the main town. This should be fun.
Eventually.
Finally found a place to change my tire. These nice guys helped me out.
Hello, America. I love you.
They fixed my tire. Yeah! Finally. I had to ride that bike for so long, so slow, but made it over here. And that family who stopped and pulled over, they put air in my tire, but that didn't really do much. It immediately deflated, but they were so nice, so thank you guys. And thank you for fixing this.
Thank you so much, sir. Also.
Thank you, sir.
Well, good news, I got a new tire. Bad news, the sun is going down, and the place I wanted to go to, called Danao Adventure Park, has this crazy swing. They basically just put you in a harness and they just drop you. And I don't know exactly how far it is, but they drop you into this valley and it just looks so extreme. I was dying to do it. It looks like such a thrill, but they're closing soon, so I'm not gonna make it there. And it's also gonna get dark rather quickly, and it's gonna take me probably over 2 hours to get back to my hostel. So I don't think I'm gonna get to do the plunge, as they call it, but this is what it is. How crazy is that? Doesn't that look intense? That's like exactly what I love to do. Adrenaline rush. Oh, that would be awesome. But I don't think it's gonna work out today, so whatever. What are you gonna do? Like I always say, when things go out of your control, the worst thing to do is stress. Just smile and go with the flow. Just appreciate the moment. Even though I got a flat tire, it was still a fun adventure, meeting nice people, helping me out. Honestly, the Philippines is just, hi, people waving right there. People of the Philippines are just so nice. It's amazing. I've been to other countries in Southeast Asia, and you know, the people are nice, welcoming, but really nothing compares to the people of the Philippines. Alright, I got a long drive back to the hostel, but it's gonna be nice. The sun's gonna set. There's a lot of clouds, so I'm sure the sky will light up with some nice colors, so I'm gonna enjoy that. I'll see you guys somewhere else. Oh, made it back to my hostel. I'm so tired from just sitting on a bike all day. Real quick, just want to give a shout out to this little thing right here for 2 reasons. Well, this is a mobile hotspot. It's made by a company called iVideo Wi-Fi. I've mentioned it in videos in the past, but just want to mention it again because it made me happy today for 2 reasons. One, on the way home, I was able to connect to internet and listen to music because I don't have any music downloaded on my phone. So I was jamming out, watching the sunset, listening to some reggae music, some good vibes. It was a good time, enjoyable on the way home. So thanks for that. And 2, well, last night I was in the common area, which is really nice in this hostel, and there's a lot of people in there. But since there was a lot of people, that means everyone was trying to use the Wi-Fi, and it wouldn't even let me connect to the Wi-Fi at night when there was a lot of people in there. But since I had this, I had my own Wi-Fi, so that was cool. So iVideo Wi-Fi, if you're traveling, it's a very cheap way to get a personal hotspot. It's good for connecting it to your phone. Me, I also use my laptop, so it's good. I have, instead of, if I were to get a SIM card, it would just go in my phone, but now I can actually use my laptop and get Wi-Fi as well. It doesn't always have the best service. It's not the greatest, although we are in the Philippines right now, so most of the Philippines is just a dead spot anyway for any type of service. And one thing I think this thing can improve on is the battery life. To be honest, I'm not very happy with the battery life on this, but it does come in handy when I need it, so pretty cool. I had the same company provide a device when I was in the States, and that battery life was great. It lasted a few days, but this one only lasts a few hours, so constantly have to charge it, but that's why I bring a portable charger with me everywhere, just in case I need to charge my gadgets. I'm just rambling right now. I'm so tired. I'm gonna try to edit some video, get a little bit done, and go to sleep, wake up early, do some yoga. They have a yoga class here, which I did this morning. It was really nice, so I'm gonna do that again tomorrow morning and edit some more videos so you guys can enjoy more content. Sound good? Cool. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.